Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to see the connected apps to your YouTube. So you can also connect different games, like for an example Free Fire or Clash of Clans. You can be connect with your YouTube channel by using this option. Now you can also check which games are connected with your YouTube associate, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below, and we just quickly move on to the video. How to see the connected apps on YouTube? Just click on your profile first, then go to the setting option on the down. Just click here. You just see your account. So you just want to click on the, you can see a lot of information and a lot of options. You just click on the connected apps. Here you can see the list of apps that's provided to be connected on games, or you can easily connect your game with your YouTube account. For this you can see a Supercell, PUBG and lot of games more. Just click on the connect. You can see you can connect to get some of the game. You can win a chance to get win game rewards. So there is additional some features to have in this by connecting the games with your YouTube account. So you can check the what are the apps, what are the games that are connected with your YouTube account, or you can easily connect or disconnect from here. You just click on to open YouTube and click on your profile and go to the accounts and go to the connected apps, and here you can easily connect or disconnect the apps from your YouTube account on your PC. Friends, if you find this video useful, you learned something new, just follow this channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about YouTube, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.